Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got this in the mail. Which is my ipsy box. Yeah, it came damaged, but I looked inside, nothing's damaged, thankfully. Alrighty. Then I already looked at this. It was like no product information. This is theme for this month is the Secret Garden. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is, wait a minute, where did I put the phone at? Alright. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, the first thing I pulled out is by, hold on. This is one of my choices, by the way. You get 3, you choose up to 3 of what you, of your products in your Boxycharm by Ipsy box. And this is a full-size perfume, and it's riddle oil, and the scent is like vanilla-like. It's a roll-on. Smells real good. And this is full-size, and it's valued at $58. So right off the bat, the value's going off good. Alright, let's see here. Can I... Okay. And I got it for like $33 and some change. Sorry if it's like I'm like looking weird or whatnot. I'm just trying to get all my look up all my stuff from the Ipsy. Alright, let's see here. Wow. This one is done by Dr. Brandt Skincare. And it's their Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Let's see if it's... I don't know if it's going to have a scent. Don't smell a scent. But this is like a primer. Which I always could use that. Alright, let's see here. The next item I'm pulling out... Oh, and, before I forget... Oh, this is wrapped up. Alright. Let's see. I'm also trying to open up this while looking at that. Alright, so this does not tell me... Oh, $40. $40 for this. Alright. And let's see. Back. I'm working my way towards the bigger item, which is a cool looking palette. Alright, let's see here. This one is by Danessa Myricks Beauty, and it's their Dew Wet Balm. Highlighting face and body balm. And this is full size. Everything in the box is full sized. Like I said, this was the Dew Wet Balm by Danessa Myricks. Okay, and righty. Ooh, me likey. Ooh. Alright, and this is the valued at $24. And this is what the packaging box looks like, and it's in the rose water shade. And this is what the actual thing itself looks like. The makeup balm thing. I think I could use this for the... Yeah, I could use it for the face. Alright, and next up, I'm already 2/3 of the way done with my, with showing you everything. I'm waiting for this to load. Alright. Alright. Waiting for it to load. And this one's by the Love Script, and it's, or Lauren Francis. And this is their Sugar Plum Body Polish. And let's see. Hey, Chloe. There we go. Alright, I'm back, and this next item is $28. Which is, where did I put the box? I could have sworn I just had the box. Oh, there is no box for it. Ready, so this is what it looks like. And the outside of it. Okay, let's see. I'm afraid to like tilt it anymore. This is the body polish. Which it does smell good. Alright. Like I said, it's $28. Yeah, my brother's cooking up something to eat. Alright, and this leaves me with the last product in the box. Alright, I like bubble wrap. Alrighty, let's see. Alrighty, I'm waiting for this to load. Alright, so this is originally $45, which the whole box is worth $195. The whole box, including this. Alright, so this is by Ciate London, and in the package, here's the packaging. Yeah, what's that? And this is I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower, Volume 2. I'm trying to open this up, too. Oh, there we go. At least the box didn't tear. And this is the actual palette. And this has 24 shades in it. Oh. Sorry, just like right now I'm soaking in what it looks like. Here's the shades. Alright, so it also has a cool mirror to it too. Oh, that was right. So everything, the palette came in perfect. Sorry, I'm still getting over like a little cold I had. Alright, so all in all, I paid $33 and some change. Alright, so that's everything. I'm not sure if I'm going to swatch this now or wait until later. I might do this in another video. I'm not sure yet. Alright, so I mean, that's everything for this month. I might take next month off for makeup and try to use some of my makeup that I already have. Okay, where's the other one? Oh, right here. But this smells good. Alrighty, let's see. I'm on the hunt for Dr. Pepper creamy coconut. I might do a video of that, do like a taste test of that as like a short video. I haven't been able to find it yet, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here before anybody else comes over. So, bye y'all. Oh, I will have my referral link in the description below. I did pay for this with my money. I'm not that big yet for PR. I don't know if I'll ever be that popular. Alright, bye y'all.